This is your hoodie, mate.
Cheers, bro.
It's just a bit more dramatic, innit, when Mr. Beast does it. Sun's in my eyes as well, boys, so I better not hear you complain. I had what's this, 116D?
It's a 118D.
Jeez! I've always found 1 Series don't sell that good for me personally.
They don't. I've got this listed right now, it hasn't sold.
Oh, what's that tent box thing? You know they do that when someone's passed away. You can't just leave him there.
Should we have a look?
I ain't feeling a dead body, you know. That's what my man did, innit, Paul? You know them one? Logan Paul, innit? When he went to China and started wearing an alien hat, started filming dead body. Man, YouTube's changed, man. These are trying to tell me my content's dangerous and harmful. Shut up.
Yo, you don't mind if I play Subway Surfers, do you?
Nah, man. Be my guest, play it on full brightness. Jeez! What theme is this? This sounds like some special theme going on. Oh, this is Irish theme. Or is that Scottish?
Probably Irish.
Oh, it's bloody St. Paddy's Day, innit? About 10 days ago. What Subway Surfers playing that? Yeah, this is a situation to be in at 6 AM. I'll be real, I weren't ready for it. This is our first gap of the day, this one. It keeps telling me blue.
Oh yeah, the DPF light came on earlier.
Our DPF clogged up. Should we unblock? We gotta unblock the DPF, innit?
You gotta do 3
Because then you know what it is? Because then the whole turbo is gonna say bye-bye, mate. Then you're gonna have to be after a new turbo. I'll be real, new turbo on this, I'd just sell the car personally.
Scrap it for parts.
Oh yeah, your DPF's got blocks, you know.
Yeah.
1,000,000%. You know what I mean? It feels a bit sluggish. Windy, innit?
Yeah, very
Wind is bad. You know, like my last 10 videos, yeah, probably even the last 10 I've been in this storm. Because every video, you know what I mean, I'm doing that because the dingers I drive, for some reason, Citroen C1, why is that flying away with the wind? Literally like driving a kite. It's nice though to be in this, something a bit German, you know what I mean, a bit more planted in the road.
Yeah, the screen here, didn't you?
Yeah, there was too much spec on it. The C1 had too, it wasn't Rizzy approved, I'll be real, it was HPI clear for starters. This is a nice touch for the video actually. Yeah.
It's off by the way if you want tissue or anything.
Nah, but I think my nose will be cleaner beforehand. As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at Rizzy Elbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. That's how it is on YouTube, man. You've got to, every time you change lanes, you've got to indicate your way around it. Don't worry, my brother. We'll have your DPF cleared ASAP. Oh my God, what is that in the back?
Bro, you're acting like it's a dead body or something.
What is it? I don't know what it is.
It's just some cans and I don't know.
Right, let's clear off this DPF. See, this is what annoys me. There used to be so much greenery, and now look, they've just built everything's for profit. Warehouses.
Turning it into a concrete jungle.
I know, man. What have they even got there? Mark Farlane packaging, Greenwood's stock boxes. Greenwood gives out boxes as well. Don't worry, my brother, we're cleaning this DPF, we're cleaning. Yo, you know what? A DPF is so pointless. What it does, it keeps your emissions and that and the steam and smoke in to stop it from going out, but then how do you clear it? You've got to boot the car in it. You've got to use more diesel. Regeneration uses more diesel. DPF is stupid. DPF, yeah, is just to tick a box to say, yeah, look, we're economical.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no logic behind it. I encourage everyone to chop it off. Sounds like we're doing some Moscow Dawa talk. Yo, everyone chop it off. Now, honestly, boys, if you got a diesel, me personally, I'll say it with chest. A lot of people like to hide it. I've always chopped off the DPF, bro. Or gutted your DPF or whatever. You know, one of my 3 GTDs what I've had recently, one of them had no DPF. And oh my God, the car, mwah, it was perfect. The other 2 had DPF problems and then it led to turbo, you know what I mean? This and that, and then I had to sell the car for cheap. All because of DPF. It just gets clogged from driving around in the city. But even if you go on the motorway, eventually it's gonna get clogged, innit?
Yeah.
It's not like it's just not gonna clog. Lovely bit of scenery in the morning, innit, cuz?
Yeah, man.
DPF light. My brother, I don't want to alarm you yet. Is the traction control working?
I don't think it is.
No, it's not. 1,000,000% it's not.
There's like a button for it.
Nah, it's not working.
Yes, bro.
Nah, I don't mind that though. I like it. I was just figuring it out, innit?
Oh, yeah.
You tried to set me up.
No.
Get paid out. This guy, yeah, he's chopped off the traction control button and not told me. I do like a good old school diesel, you know.
Yeah.
They're comfy, innit? Like, you don't even have to be in no mad gears or change gears that much. You choose your gear and you're waft about. Smooth power, innit? Torque. Effortless power, that's the word I'm looking for.
Lots of torque.
Yeah.
Good on fuel.
People love to hate a diesel, you know. Oh, I could never drive a car that sounds like that. Oh, it's slow. But it's built for purpose, innit? Gas mileage, it's smooth, perfect for a businessman, innit?
Yeah, perfect for motorway.
That's like going up to a nun, yeah, and saying, oh, you're not fit. Like, it's a nun, innit? Like, it's not fit for purpose, G. It's not a prostitute. Ah, pigeons had to mess up the whole thing. See, they don't even move, you know, these pigeons. They've got a bit of an ego going on. This car's fast, innit?
It's alright.
Does this actually work, though?
What do you mean?
DPF clearing, like when you go out on the motorway and give it some revs.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, but surely a temp fix though, innit? They're not going to clear the DPF.
Well, you can get that little chemical bottle thing, yeah? Pour that into the fuel tank, then do it, and it's even better.
But still, that's a temp. There's only so much you can do in it before.
Yeah, eventually it needs to get good.
Some people give replace it. What you reckon to DPF cleaning? Is that a gimmick?
But obviously it's going to get clobbered again if you're just only driving around the city.
Yeah, but so's getting a new DPF. It's expensive, you know.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, there might be a camera. Is there a camera there? It's so stupid, isn't it? Humanity.
Yeah.
Why are you actually genuine? What's the reason you're not allowed to turn left there? There's crossing lights. You can get your green man, red man. You know what I mean? You built the road. Why am I not allowed to use it? yeah, God, sorry for laughing, I don't even know what's happened.
When we bought this car, I think I missed my Weetabix that morning.
Yeah.
This was like rattling.
But the knob?
Yeah, shaking. The guy told me it's an exhaust mount. Gus, I don't know why.
Yo, the guy is a trader, he's on smoke and he deserves, he deserves all the profit that comes his way. Excuses
profit,
like
he sold it for a loss.
No, he didn't,
yeah,
bro.
He did.
No, I promise. Is that what he told you?
Yeah. Unless he bought it for
he did not sell it for a loss. I put £1 million on it.
Can't we clear clutch goes?
Serious? I was gonna say the clutch is quite good. You replaced it.
It's been changed recently, that's why.
Leon is on it, mate. Early in the morning with the Leon.
What's the worst car you've had on the channel?
C1. That's so shit.
Alright, what's the best car you've had then?
Wait, it'll be out. Civic Type R.
Oh, you done it? What, EP3?
EP3, yeah. I took it out for a naughty spin. I kept missing gear 3 though, I'll be real.
How was it?
It was good. It was good. It lives up to the hype.
Yeah.
Like these like were telling me to do it at other point. Here we go. See, you know when the hills are like this, I know, I appreciate it's car channel, yeah, but it is what it is. One series, wow. You know when the scenery's like that specific hill,
yeah,
like a Teletubbies hill, like a Windows XP background hill.
I'll tell you what, you know, I'm going around the country. Like
yeah.
See the hills. Sometimes I'll stop and just take a picture, you know.
You take a picture of it?
Yeah, I do.
Nah, I basically do the same. I don't take a picture, but I do look. I just stop and look.
I'll take a picture if the view's good enough, I think. The houses there as well. Imagine you had a house over there.
Oh, trust me, you'd wake up. I don't know if I like it though in the winter. You know when it's December, 5 PM and everything is black and raining?
Cold, yeah.
Then it's kind of depressing. Not so romantic then, is it? But on a day like this, I wouldn't mind it. I'm good, you know Airbnbs? Because I'm always in Airbnbs in the middle of nowhere. Even this is a nice bit of greenery local.
That's alright.
That's what I'm saying. I reckon I'm a nature channel, you know.
Nature channel?
Yeah. I'm not a nature channel. I'm always in bloody nature. Every video is nature. I appreciate the UK, innit?
You're a patriot.
You what?
You're a patriot.
That's that got 4 legs, innit?
You vote reform, yeah?
I don't even vote, you. I don't even know how to vote. Yo, she's doing the bloody stanky leg. I don't know how to vote. Why do you vote?
No.
Wait, what do you mean vote? There's not even been a election since you've been able to vote. Or me.
It's just pointless.
Well, voting.
No way, it's not.
No. You know what it is? I figured out it was rigged from a young age with no grooming or no education. You know what I mean?
You know what, me,
I just
I'm exactly the same. You know?
yeah, exactly. No, there's a lot of people like us. You know, when I was young, I always knew. You know, when the teachers are barking at you, oh, vote, even though year 7. I was always thinking in my head, genuinely, no influence, nothing.
Yeah.
I always knew there's no way that they let us choose who's in charge.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no, they don't. It's rigged. It's there to calm us down, to stop kicking off. Oh, democracy, we want to, you know what I mean? It's there to chill us out. It's all the same company at the top. And then a bunch of people tell you what you want to hear, but it's all just owned by the same small hat people.
Same people.
And I don't want to get too into it.
We're not going to get into it, be here for hours.
I know a lot of you lot are into your conspiracies, so are we know. And it's not even a conspiracy theory, it's straight up fact. What you reckon to the villages and that? Feeling it.
You know, I used to live in a village when I was like a kid, you know.
Is it? What's it like? Because I was thinking about moving to one.
It's a very, you know, tight-knit community. Everybody knows each other. You walk down the street.
That's nice. What is it? Majority old people or?
Not really. Well, this is like 10 years ago. But I was a kid then, so I can't really say. But not really. There's a good mix of ages.
Depends on your village, innit? Really.
Yeah.
Because I've been through this village right here. I got banned from this village when I was a bit younger.
What? How?
Sticky taped a pram to the front of my car, pretended I run over a baby, and then I was all over Facebook. And that's when I thought, yeah, I ain't really feeling the village. You know what I mean? I ain't want to move to this village. It's dead. East Leek, boys. That's the village, East Leek.
Never live in one though. I think I'd always want to live in a city.
Is it?
Yeah.
I've always lived in a city, but I don't know. I feel like I wouldn't mind living in a village. Or a village near a city.
Yeah, that's good.
It's alright now we can drive and that, but you know when you're small and you can't really, you're in the village and it's just like, what is there to do around here? Han does it nice, you know.
Yeah,
It's nice, it's actually good that the traction's off, because then I feel like it's not just cutting power. It's really smooth, innit?
Yeah.
Good, nice suspension.
Yeah.
Minus your toolbox in the back.
Yeah,
Car's
yeah.
pretty silent.
A couple of dings in it.
Oh, minor, bro. I'd daily this. I don't care about dings. Someone's gonna be daily in it.
Yeah.
I can't lie, they're gonna get a good car. I ain't driven a bike in years, man.
Bro,
Obviously, I did it briefly. I've not owned a bike in years.
As long as you're not driving it on the road.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be a twat cyclist.
Yeah,
those guys are losers. I actually hate them, you know.
can't stand them.
They're the worst people in society. And I know people are gonna say I'm only saying that because I'm driving and they always get in my way. Genuinely, I've had more problems with cyclists when I'm walking than what I've had on the road. I don't even mind them on the road. You know how you know someone's a twat? He wakes up every morning, he's pushing 50, dresses like a Smiggle highlighter pen. He like puts on like a tight swimsuit, and then he goes out on his bike and then he goes 2 miles an hour in the road.
You know,
They've got no social awareness. They're so reliant, you know.
Exactly.
They go between a lorry. Oh, highway code. Mate, forget the code, yeah. Everyone's human. You're gonna die, my brother, because you're next to the lorry. They're the worst people on the planet, honestly.
I wouldn't mind, yeah, if they're, you know, on the pavement.
Yeah.
What are you doing on the road?
It is a bit tedious. You know, the pavement's actually empty.
Oh, you're not going to believe this. You know, the other day,
What?
you know, when you're coming into Coventry.
Yeah.
A46, I think it is, or A45. There's like 3 lanes, yeah?
Hmm.
You know, there's a cyclist in this lane over here.
On what? On 3 lane?
Yeah, on the 70 road.
You know when you're already going slow and they pull out the move of getting the water out, they're not even pedaling. I really like this BMW though, you know. I wasn't really expecting to like it. I just thought it'd feel like another one. It does, but it's probably because I've not driven a diesel in it in a while. It's moving like a 140, I tell you that.
These roads are nice though, you know.
You like them, yeah?
Yeah.
They're good in it, good visibility, safe and sound. You don't even have to be flying here to have fun.
They're nice and long as well, I'm surprised.
You like it nice and long, yeah? Yeah, man, I love these roads, you know. I've been driving on these roads for years, innit? I only started recording it this year. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is a really good car, bro. Honestly. I like it. You can have fun in a diesel, innit? Honestly.
Yeah, you can.
You can have fun in any car, bro. I said I didn't like the C1, but I'm still having a bit of a blast in it, I'll be real. Your DPF's gonna be clean, mate.
To be fair, the road is empty though.
No, I don't mind him. I mean, I don't know. I feel like he'd still be a bit of a knobhead in Asda. Like, why are you wearing goggles, my guy? That is so long.
I'm trying to stop
Guy
myself.
gets ready in the morning, like sprays up his crotch, gets his thong on, gets his hair and makeup done, puts his glasses on. All that, yeah, for Tesco. Shut up, man. Dressing like a power Olympian, cause just for some pizza. Living around here. What you reckon? I feel like we'd stick out there like a sore thumb. Cute little village though, innit?
Yeah.
Like, look at that.
That's a nice tree, isn't it?
Innit? Nice tree, cherry blossom tree. He lives in a gingerbread house. You got your church. It's a bit, it puts me off a bit that there's just graves outside.
Yeah.
But if you can get past that, then fair enough. Time to move in, mate. The handling is really good, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it is. I think because you've got your traction off. I tried to record on dry days, but then obviously it'd been raining all night, most of the time. But for once, yeah, the road's actually fully dry. Pretty sure there's still a storm going on right now. Like, there's so much wind outside. Oh, here we go, Tour de France is here. Nah, man. 118D. This was such a meme before on my channel, you know, because my one had 50k miles chopped off it.
What's your favourite animal?
My favourite?
Yeah.
I like the jellyfish, you know. What? What are you laughing for? What, bruv? That's an animal, what?
I don't like them, they stink you.
No, I'm not gonna sniff it. You're just looking squidgy, innit? Guy comes out looking like slime. Right, what's your favourite animal?
I like ducks, you know. Why are you laughing? You ever fed the ducks?
Yeah, nah, I gave it half SG, but what's your point? Don't try to equalise it now, my brother. He said ducks.
I do like ducks.
You like the ducks, yeah?
Yeah, you like jellyfish.
Jellyfish better than ducks.
No, they're not. What the fuck?
What's your favourite animal? A snake. Snake's poisonous, and if I said snake, you'd think you're right. This guy's a man.
Well,
A jellyfish is cooler than a snake because it's got about 20 legs. It's flying about in the water all day. Duck, yeah.
what sound does a jellyfish make? No, they don't make.
They don't make noise because they don't
They
need
don't make
to.
noise because they're fucking shit. That's why.
Duck. My man said duck.
Listen, they'll get
Yo,
it. No, they'll get it.
what's your favourite animal? Matey went duck. I don't think anyone has ever gone to shop bought bread for the duck. You know, ducks and bread is like duck feeding them McDonald's. That's the equivalent. No, it is. You're just gonna make them fat and fat.
Seeds or something.
Fucking ducks. Yo, you're banned from this YouTube account. Ducks.
You like dogs?
You do. This is a car channel, innit?
Oh shit, man.